This is the fourth advantage of technical analysis that we're going to discuss. It is almost a rule, guys, that during my seminars and workshops, students ask me which is the best time frame to use when trading. Well, this brings us to another important advantage of technical analysis, as it applies to any time frame, any financial instrument. Of course, rumor has it that technical analysis is best used on lower time frames. This is not valid. Just a glance on different charts and different time frames will convince you that technical analysis applies equally well to lower and higher time frames. I remember once in one of my workshops, two students argued passionately about their favorite or best time frame. What I did is printed out different charts on different time frames, hiding the time frame on the chart, and I asked them to pick out their favorite chart. Needless to mention, of course, that they both failed to pick the chart with their favorite time frame. I hope it's clear.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to keep up with new videos.